Welcome to Psomagen, your premier destination for multi-omics services. As a CAP and CLIA-accredited contract research organization, we offer seamless end-to-end solutions from sample collection kits all the way through advanced bioinformatic analyses, so you can spend your time on your research instead of juggling multiple vendors. Since 2004, Psomagen's been the trusted provider of cutting-edge sequencing technologies. But why stop at genomics? In the complex world of biological systems, adding proteomics to genomics and transcriptomics is key to being able to fully understand these complex processes. So that's why we've embraced Olink's pioneering PEA chemistry by becoming a certified service provider across their entire product portfolio. Whether your Olink project is small or large scale, we offer comprehensive reports, expert consultations, and comprehensive bioinformatics solutions. And if you need to integrate your Olink data with DNA or RNA findings, Psomagen's advanced bioinformatics team is standing by to help. To get started, just visit Psomagen.com and click on our Let's Connect form. Together, let us help you handle all your multi-omics project needs.